We're watching Eddie ride this bike like an idiot right now. Alright, here we go.
You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me.
You suck at this. Alright, I think people are going to want to see the pro do it.
Yeah.
Alright, loop the hand through the camera. Hello, Eddie. It didn't fall over, believe me, this bike is like 90 years old. If I break my toe extra, I'm not going to get it rolling, start, you got to pedal.
Watch those feet.
I'm going to fall all over my ass. Tight corner.
Look at him go, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh.
And he rolls.
All right. Broken kneecap added to it. Dude, feel
Mr. Diesel, how do you feel about your crash?
Ow. Hold on, no, but seriously, feel the grass. Oh my God, it's like spiky.
That's some dead grass.
Oh, that's some dead grass indeed.
That's a dead bike.
I didn't know that's what dead grass was.
And that is a dead Rizzo.
Wait. Oh, there's green grass and high tides on my kneecap. They're coming for me.
Fair.
Oh. Go. You move slow. You knocked over code number 1. You got a 50 on your test. Watch the language. I'm editing that on YouTube. Watch the language. When anybody here, get off. My turn. Don't use the brake. That's like 90 years old.
Me scooting.
Put the wrist around it.
Oh, I would have done that.
Don't let it process. Don't let it process. Just like zoom in and out. That way,
Oh, yes, yes. It's counting down. Does that mean I pressed it?
No, it's supposed to be.
Okay. Oh, wait, I'm not recording. No, I'm not. Oh, wait, maybe I am. It's counting down.
Then it's recording.
Well, you told me it wasn't.
I hate you. I'm gonna fail. And I need to wear like a knee brace.
Oh, what's that? 75!